Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another money-making video. Before we get started, I need you to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to be notified of all the latest money-making videos online. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new videos. So if you want to get constant videos on how to make money online, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, paid surveys, anything along those lines, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like. And also, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. At the end of the video, I have an extra offer for you where you could get free money on top of this website/app I'm already showing you. So make sure you stay tuned until the very end of the video if you want that offer. So in this video, we're talking about Upvoice. Get paid for the time you spend online doing the things you do, all right? Or you love to do, rather. Now, the way this works is pretty simple. You sign up. They will invite you to install the Upvoice extension. It's safe and won't impact your browser history. Browse. Continue your regular browsing activity. Earn. When you browse through the web, the Chrome extension anonymously captures your ads and gives you daily points that can later be redeemed for a variety of gift cards. You go up, you can see all the gift cards they offer right over here on the left. They have Uber, Amazon, Nike, movie theaters, Visa, Adidas, Burger King, Best Buy, and Walmart. So there's really a gift card for everybody. I personally like the Amazon gift cards the most, but you could do whatever you want to do. And it's pretty simple. Firstly, before you even start this, you need to download something before this, and that is you have to download Google Chrome. This works as a Chrome extension, so you have to download the Chrome web browser. That is completely free. That's made by Google. It's safe. It's efficient. It's a web browser I've been using even before this app, okay? Who you are matters. As a qualified Upvoice panelist, you become a member of an exclusive market research community that impacts the marketing decisions and brand strategies of multi-billion-dollar corporations who want to get your attention online. This means that you have a direct influence on the online advertising campaigns of big brands. That's what being a member of this exclusive community is all about. So how this works is big corporations, big companies, they want to know what you think. They want to know where you stand on their ads. Do you like their ads? Do you dislike them? Where do you stand on them? And through this Upvoice Chrome extension app, they're going to have a better way of finding out. So you can kind of see the benefit for both sides. The benefit to you is you win free gift cards. The benefit to them is they know which ads are working, which ones aren't, which ones do they need to tweak a little bit, things like that. So you can kind of see where they're making their money. Now, you have to download Chrome. You have to install, you have to sign up first, right? You're going to go to the sign up on the website, okay? And then after you sign up, you're going to get an invite. You're going to get an email so that you can sign up to their panel. They accept basically everyone, but they do need to basically get you into their program. It's not as simple as just downloading the web browser. You have to get into their program, and by doing that, you'll get an email and you'll be able to sign up. Now, privacy is a big thing. A lot of people are talking about privacy. They respect your privacy and protect your data using the highest security standards. They comply with all privacy regulations, and they never share your personal information with anyone except when they need to send you rewards, all right? Now, for the rewards, as soon as you're qualified as a member of the panel, you will begin collecting tokens, which can later be redeemed for a selection of e-gift cards. So it's pretty simple. To break it down step by step, you go to the website, joinupvoice.com, you sign up with their website. You'll get an email within 24 hours on how to install the web browser. You'll install the web browser, and you will basically right away start earning coins, or tokens rather, that you can use to get gift cards. Pretty simple, pretty efficient, and it works. And you can make over $100 doing this for really doing nothing. That's the great part about this. This is not doing surveys, not doing anything like that. It's literally you're getting paid to do what you would be doing anyways, because I'm sure a lot of people are on the computer anyways, and you're going to get paid just for doing things you normally do. How great is that? How cool would it be if someone said you could get paid just for using your phone or just for using your computer? That's what this is. This can be a good source of side income, but it's not going to replace a full-time job. A lot of these surveys and a lot of these type of websites are not replacements for full-time jobs, but they can be a good source of side income if you're trying to make some extra money, pay some extra bills, or get some money to invest. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I had a little offer for you at the end. Now that offer is by using my Robinhood referral link. Link is in the description. This link, if you click the Robinhood referral link, it's an investing app. And if you sign up with the app, you will get a free stock valued between $1 and $200. I personally even got a Facebook stock for completely free, which was valued when I got it at about $140. So you could really luck out and get a stock over $100 just by using my referral link. But even if you don't get a $100 stock, even if you get a $10 stock, it's free money. You could get that stock, you could sell it, you could hold it, get some dividends maybe. There's a lot you could do. I know investing can be scary to some people, but definitely check out the Robinhood referral link in the description. It's basically free money, guys. Don't miss out on it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time.